If you want to disable automatic restrictions on your Apple ID, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary settings to regain full control of your account. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you will find all the options related to your Apple ID and device settings. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name. This will take you to your Apple ID settings where you can manage your account. Step 3. Select Media and Purchases. Scroll down and find the option labeled Media and Purchases. Tap on it to access settings related to your purchases and restrictions. Step 4. Manage Restrictions. Look for the Restrictions option within the Media and Purchases menu. Here, you can view and modify any restrictions that have been automatically applied to your account. Step 5. Disable Automatic Restrictions. Toggle off any automatic restrictions that are currently enabled. This will allow you to use your Apple ID without the limitations that were previously set. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic restrictions on your Apple ID. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.